Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Chromosomes can trick you fast, but this one is clean if you track what changes, what stays constant, and match the sequence correctly. Dogs have a diploid number of 78, so start there as the full chromosome count in a body cell. That means 2 sets are already present before any reduction happens. At the G2 checkpoint, DNA has replicated, but chromosome number does not double, so it stays 78. Only the amount of DNA changes, which is the classic trap here. Then meiosis cuts the chromosome number in half to 39, and fertilization restores diploid 78, so the matching sequence is option B. Well done, option B. Scan now, don't rush signs or copied numbers. Trust the given diploid count and check each step before choosing.